Part 2 video of FPA Services under Logistics Plus. Perhaps the greatest benefit of shipping FCA or X Works is for the buyer to consolidate smaller shipments as one shipment that could have gone individually from the U.S. suppliers. This could literally save thousands of dollars compared to shipping individually. For ocean moves, the opportunity is there to marry up individual shipments that would have gone LCL as a container load. Air rates go down as more cargo is tendered to the air carrier. It is also possible to combine more than one U.S. supplier on one air or ocean consolidation. In addition to saving on freight charges, one consolidated shipment allows for one combined clearance at the destination. The cost goes up every time a new shipment is created. By combining individual shipments, only the fixed documentation and processing costs of one shipment are incurred. This example illustrates 6 LCL individual shipments. The total aggregate cost is $6,928.71. By comparison, consolidating the 6 suppliers for one consignee into a container load, here are the charges of $4,167.75. In this example, the freight savings worked out to be nearly 40% of shipping these 6 supplier shipments as a consolidation instead of individually. To help you provide more options to customers who buy on a routed transaction basis, we quote U.S. subcontracted functions. The subcontracted functions include U.S. warehousing and drayage services and insurance. Through Logistics Plus LTL freight and truckload solutions, U.S. inland is quoted where X Works terms are involved. The U.S. port or airport of loading may impact the international carrier selected. We'll offer options to ensure the optimal U.S. port is selected that also serves the chosen international carrier. At your request, we can provide an international shipping quote, air or ocean, as well. Through Logistics Plus acquisition of H.C. Bennett Company, we can offer a rather extensive library of international operations information that can be offered to you or your suppliers. Demonstrating our understanding of U.S. import-export regulations and procedures, we teach freight forwarding and customs law courses. The cornerstone of how we keep track of purchase orders, warehouse cargo receipts, and create the documents used for shipping the goods overseas is our in-house database program we call the PO Wizard. The same individuals in our FPA Services Department that handle the operations built this program. Many processes and customs forms are continuously updated in-house by our staff. By clicking the PO Wizard link on the FPA Services website, the details of each aspect of the PO Wizard are explained. Our PO Wizard also creates all shipping documents. A video on the FPA Services website summarizes the key components of the PO Wizard is also available for viewing. Are you a prospective user of Logistics Plus FPA Services? An obvious motivation is the freight savings of consolidating shipments. If you qualify, you may want to explore this further. Foreign principals that purchase from multiple U.S. suppliers or from U.S. suppliers with multiple factory locations can benefit by combining various purchase orders at a single U.S. consolidation point. From the consolidation receiving warehouse, the cargo from various suppliers or supplier locations can be combined into one shipment for you, the foreign consignee. To take advantage of economies of shipping scale, the cargo volume should average enough to build at least either one air consolidation or one 20-foot container at the consolidation location each month. Designated X Works or FCA terms under a routed export transaction on the PO or sales contract. In this way, you specify control of the routing from the U.S. at your discretion. Freight costs are always saved with greater weights being shipped together. However, in many cases, the need for individual shipment attention is more important. When the order must be expedited or given white glove attention, employing the service of an FPA working in your behalf can be particularly useful. There is assurance the documentation for the foreign clearance is created properly, and the overall transit time from the U.S. factory to the foreign destination is not jeopardized. Even if the cargo is not consolidated, air express shipments can be routed through our receiving warehouse or can be collected under Logistics Plus direction directly from the supplier. This arrangement provides extra attention to what are often critical shipments. Do Logistics Plus FPA services pique your interest? If so, provide us with 4 or more recent LCL or air shipments purchased from different U.S. suppliers or supplier locations. The proprietary information of seller, buyer, and product values need not be provided. The package weights and dimensions and product line items are needed. The shipping locations in the U.S., shipping mode, and destination port or airport are also needed. We will provide a comparative cost report from the supplier's origin locations to the destination port or airport by consolidating these shipments. Many of the value-added benefits included in this presentation will be reinforced and the report will provide. If you want to proceed, new purchase orders could specify routed transaction terms via the Logistics Plus Consolidation Warehouse. A memorandum of understanding between you and Logistics Plus will cover specific services provided and the pricing schedule. If the volume warrants, the benefit of a monthly retainer pricing can be offered. Our thanks for watching this presentation. We hope to hear from you. All inquiries are welcome.